This is the Vinpearl Spa and Resort. Here's our room. Those were actually really comfy, not gonna lie about that. And some nice hangers, laundry service that's expensive, a little safe, and a little drawer there. So, nice little wardrobe. Pretty standard in a bigger hotel room though. I think you can maybe hang stuff there, I don't know. But a nice place to put your suitcase. They got a little scale, as well as some shoes down there. So, just basic stuff. The shower still has like this little opening here, so the floor got wet, which isn't really I mean from a Thailand standard, it's pretty fine, but seems weird for a nice hotel. A little bit of extra stuff as far as what you get around the sink and stuff in the bathroom, but nothing spectacular. They do have a tub, which I always like tubs in a nice hotel room. Use the tub, so. I mean, it's a big bathroom, but again, it's nothing super special for what you're paying for. Nice little desk, lamp in a chair. No, I mean, it's set up nice. You got a fridge. I guess maybe the stuff in the mini bar was free too. I don't know. Just little things of water though. The tea stuff is pretty nice. You got the tea and the sugar and stuff in these little drawers. So I thought that was cute. But I didn't really use it because you got breakfast. And a little seating chair and stuff. The bed. I don't like the bed because it still has the little divider in the middle. And then it was like soft in like a really uncomfortable way. Like we literally ended up sleeping on the floor the second night because my back was killing me. So, and then the room's just like really big, so you have like extra space to walk around, but like I don't know why I need that. And here's the view. I mean, to be fair, the pool is really nice and pretty, but again, if you're not going to be here because you're out doing stuff, then it's not a big perk. But there's some chairs and stuff for you to be able to sit out here on the balcony and stuff, so it's nice enough. Can't quite see it with the fog in the morning, but that's the beach and stuff's right on the other side of those trees. So you just want to be able to walk out to the beach. Oh, there's people wearing their nice little bathrobes. There we go. Probably over the swimsuits, going out for an early swim. Good idea. That's the Vinpearl Spa and Resort.
Vinpearl Resort and Spa. Oh, that, wow, looks so serious. Mm-hmm.